we're going to change a repeating decimal to a lowest terms fraction. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to prove that 6/10 really does equal 2/3. So 6/10 is our item that we're talking about. 6/10 repetin, 0.6 repeating. That's our original. And here's our first rule. We're going to take this original and multiply it by the power of 10 by how many digits are being repeated. And this one only has one digit being repeated, so the first power of 10 is 10. So I'm going to take 10 times x, and if I do that to this side of the equation, I also have to do it to this side. Now remember, 0.6 repetin, there are 6's that follow forever going this direction. So when I multiply this by 10, that decimal point is going to get moved over by one spot to the right, but all those 6's don't go away. So it becomes 6.66 repeating as it always did before. Now what we're going to do is we're going to take our original and we're going to subtract it from where we had multiplied by 10. So now we're going to subtract x over on this side, and we're going to subtract 0.6 repetin. And remember, all these 6's still are there. They didn't go away. So 10x minus x is 9x. And over here, when we subtract this, all of these 6's are being eliminated until we get right here. So 6 minus 0 is 6. Now we don't want to know what 9x is. We want to know what x is. So therefore, we're going to divide by 9 to get rid of that 9. And we end up with x equals 6/9. However, in lowest terms, 3 goes into 6 twice, and 3 goes to 9 3 times. So we just proved that, yes, 0.6 repetin does equal 2/3. Let's try another. Let's try, our original will be 0.45 repeating. So now we have two digits that are being repeated. So we're going to multiply both sides by the second power of 10, which is 100. So 100 times x is 100x. And 100 times 0.45 repeating would move our decimal point 2 to the right, but remember, all it keeps going, 4, 5, 4, 5, forever and ever. So this would become 45.454545, and so forth. Well, 100x minus x is 99x. And over here, all of this is going to be eliminated until we get right here. 45 minus 0 is 45. Then we're going to divide by 99, our coefficient, which gives us x equals 45/99. And then we have to put that in lowest terms.
Good afternoon, Oak Ridge Middle School. Pardon the interruption. I first want to say thank you for the great start to the fundraiser to help provide gifts for the families here at Linn-Mar. We have the following teachers already leading the turkey teaching